Hello friends, welcome. We'll try to use the TTK Creator tool. So using that tool, we can create the theme, and that theme also I can import it or export it and use it for our building our applications. Now this particular theme, when I am creating, I am using a tool. Earlier in the part 1, we discussed how you will create a JSON file, how we will store it in a database, the theme, and all this we have learned already completed in the part 1. Now we'll see how to use the creator tool. But before we move, my request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we add tutorial, and we are frequently adding that also. Let's learn the script. When we create this custom theme file, where our file or the data is stored, this is stored inside a folder where our TTK Bootstrap, then subfolder themes, it is available there. After searching for TTK Bootstrap folder, then moving to subfolder themes, then I opened the user.py file. Inside that you can see there is nothing is there, no dictionary is there, because we have not created any custom theme for us. Let us open our TTK Creator now. So I am going for the same command TTK Creator, on enter. I am in the prompt. So here is the tool available now. This tool will use it. Note that first we have to load one base theme. So base theme, many are there. You can pick up the theme. So based on your choice and all the options are there. So we have not created anything. So let's just get it. Then give a name to this. My theme, I am giving V1. So this is the name. Now you see over this, so this will be written. Now for primary, this is the color. So now this is the demo color, and this here is the button which I can use it to change the color. Now let me just change the primary color to something else. So I click this. Now I should to clearly differentiate. Let me just move towards green. So let me go primary to green now. Click OK. So now this is primary is color. You can see a sample here. All this, wherever the primary is used, all the tools here you can experiment now and see that how this primary color is changed. Now let me just save this. So this has been created. Okay, fine. So let's go and check it how this theme looks. Now behind that you can see this. Here you see the user theme. Now particularly here you can see this is inside the user.py file. Let me just move to the right. Yeah, in this location you can see all these are stored, different thing, and the color combinations are stored. This earlier JSON file, and we are taken to the database also. Now this particular theme is created. Let me open again. So my creator is here. Let me open it. Fine. This time whatever earlier I have created, this one, my theme V1, that I will use as base. So let me scroll. Here is this, see this automatically this is available. So because this was created earlier, and I will select this. Now this is there. Now let me change this name also. I will creating another one now. V2 I have given, and here now I will change some colors for it. This particular primary color I am changing to, let's say I will go to this color. Click OK. Now once I save it, other colors also I will encourage you to try all these combinations and all. So you can change all the colors similarly. So all the parameters or all the color settings here in the dictionary, it will be changed. Now once I save it, this will particularly it will again. So let me just save this. Theme V2 is saved. Okay. Now let me minimize this. So below that you just see this theme is added here. All the data based on the primary, secondary, whatever the color our styles are there, those for the particular color for that is automatically created and added. Now even I can open it up again. Now let me just base theme. Okay, here you see I can use this as a base theme and create another theme also. See this code, this is a small one button and a label also. So you can see here in the line number 3, we have used theme name as my theme underscore v1. This is what we have created recently. So 2 themes and 1 we have used here. Now this is how we will, because we have created it and kept it there already. So directly we have used it. Now let's just run it and see the button color. Here you can see whatever the version 1 we have created. So the same one, now you can click this and button is clicked. So based on the whatever the style we have assigned info, so it has picked up the same color. Visit this URL to download the entire source code of part 1 and part 2. So this is there in the description below. So you can see here how we'll create a custom theme, then you can apply it, then you can, in the next part, you can copy this entire code and you can integrate our database also. You can see that how it is. And here is our TTK Creator. So this is how you will, if it is Bootstrap is not installed, then use this. Then how the command to launch the TTK Creator. Then all the details about it, how you will register your own theme and use it. Then next you will see the data, how we will integrate a database and store the themes in our either MySQL database or SQLite. The entire code is here. You can use this. That's all, friends. Hope you have a good learning experience and you continue learning this theme builder, so you can create different themes and all and apply it to your application. And if you are facing any issue, doubt, suggestion, question, please use the comment section below to post it. And my request is, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you will be notified as and when we add tutorial, and we are frequently adding that also. Please share this with your friends and thank you for watching.